Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ang ituturo ko ngayong araw na ito ay ang F sus4 or F suspended fourth. So paano gawin? Again, here's my guitar. Then first step, ang inyong index finger here, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa first fret mula 6th string hanggang 1st string at ipa-flat nyo siya pa bar chord. Then next, ang inyong tatlong finger, ang inyong middle finger, ang inyong ring finger, ang inyong pinky finger, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa 3rd fret. So you can see, 3rd fret, ilalagay nyo siya dito sa 5th string, 4th string, at 3rd string ng 3rd fret. As you can see. Then, naka-bar chord to, naka-flat chord. Then, this is a F sus4 or F suspended fourth. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel para mas makapanat pa kayo ng mga guitar chords for the beginners.